Let me teach you how to download and use the Dashcam app. First, enter the menu. Click Settings. Find App Download. Use your mobile phone to scan this QR code. Download it. Then you can return to the menu. Select Wi-Fi. You can also use VoIP function to open Wi-Fi, or you can long press the OK button to open it. After it, you will find the name and password of the Wi-Fi on the screen. Next, open the phone settings. Enter the Wi-Fi list. Connect the Drive I Wi-Fi. Press the number 128. Make sure the Wi-Fi is turned on, and then open the Dashcam app. You can use recording function and switch any camera lens. This button is to control the mirroring, and this is the real-time situation of the speed. And click this, you will find where you are. Here to record, also can click to take a picture. This is the setting menu. And this to view the video file. And it's very easy to see and download these files. And last, it's very easy to share these videos to the social media, such as YouTube, Facebook, and so on. Thank you for choosing Drive By.